Where haven't we gone? Even when the rains came, fetch in the backyard. You play it like it's a soccer game, laughing and a running, hey, hey, skipping and a jumping, bounding everywhere we go with our hearts a thumping, and you, my brown-eyed dog, you, my brown-eyed dog. Whatever happens, you don't walk too slow. You drag me around the hood like a tractor, don't you know? You smile at me like you're laughing. Now I don't feel lonely at all. Slipping and sliding, my feelings are a waterfall with you, my brown-eyed dog. You, my brown-eyed dog. And I know you love it when I always sing sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-dee-da, just like that. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-dee-da, la-dee-da. Not hard to find my way. I'm no longer all alone. We met in June, but it seems how mighty big you've grown. Cast my memory back there, Lord. Sometime I'm overcome thinking about it. Getting doggy kisses, baby, wherever I may go with you, my brown-eyed dog. You, my brown-eyed dog. And you know you love it when I always sing sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-dee-da. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-dee-da. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-dee-da. La-dee-da.